Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new pre-owned arrivals. This is an exceptionally clean 2018 Bayliner Element. This is the E16 model, 16-foot model. This particular one was garage kept. Boat's in very, very nice condition, very low hours. Also has a nice trailer that comes with it, as well as a full mooring cover. So we'll kind of take a look at a couple things. This is a great boat for someone who wants to do a little flats fishing, stuff like that. Great little family boat, extremely economical. Nice loungers in the front of the boat. This one also has a nice Garmin GPS chart plotter, Jensen stereo, real comfortable seating here for the captain, the co-captain. This makes into a little lounger back here as well. Power trim, power tilt here on our Mercury 75 4-stroke. Horsepower to weight ratio is very, very good. Sorry about the noise. We've got the swim platform back here, and the boat was kept inside a garage. So as you can see, very, very nice condition. So this is a MarineMax pre-owned, located here at MarineMax in Venice. Once again, 2018 Bayliner 16 Element. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.